Property tour of the day, and today we are in the Isles at Weston. Isles at Weston is one of the newest communities built in Weston, Florida. It is well known for its proximity to schools, safety. It's got 24/7 security, and the landscaping and the overall look of this community is just amazing. It's really, really beautiful. It basically has this main street and 4 subdivisions, 2 on this side and 2 all the way to the end of the roundabout. As we move here, we will see the clubhouse to our right. It is very, very nice. It's got a gym, which is very particular because none of the gated communities in Weston have one. So this is great. Now we are in Stonebrook, where we will be touring our property today. This is the house that we will be touring today. So I want you to just enjoy the tour and let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you feel about this home, the space, the backyard. I want to hear everything that you have to say, all right? So thank you and enjoy the tour. So to start, we have a 3-car garage and we have the accordion panels for hurricane protection. Beautiful entrance and this quiet, beautiful neighborhood. I want you to see the high ceilings, which are lovely. This luxury property offers high-end ceramic tile and high-end laminate floors on the 2nd story. Amazing. The light that comes from everywhere in this property is just, I think, the best feature the property has. What I like a lot is that you have your formal setting right here, living room and dining room. Then it opens up to the entertainment area, which is the kitchen and the family room. You have space here for a breakfast table. The kitchen is open. You can see everything from it. Nice cabinets, granite tops, brand new appliances. And again, look, bright, spacious. The kitchen can be easily accessed from every single part of the house, entrance, dining room, and then from this little passage I'm going to walk you into right now. This house is great for entertaining. Also, one of the best things in this house is the bedroom downstairs. It is always great to have the extra space if you have your in-laws, if you have a guest, or if you have a need for an office. This is perfect for everything. And the best thing is that you have the full bathroom right next to it, which can be used by your guests as a powder bathroom, or of course for the people that uses this bedroom downstairs. This is one of the best views, 180 degrees of water. They recently did these travertine pavers outside here in the patio. You have space if you wanted to build a pool. You have more than enough space. You already have the fence, which is great as well. So you can sit and relax and enjoy this beautiful view. I want to also show you and give you the idea of how much space you have on the sides as well. You can plant edges, you can make it more private if that's what you want, but the space is here and you can utilize that as you like. It has a little awning too if you want a more shadow, or if eventually you want to build a pergola or an outdoor kitchen. The space is here. This is just a canvas, and that location and the space is what you're always looking for. Now let's move to the second story. You're going to be fascinated with the size of everything upstairs. Everything is like an asteroid, which is great. This main bedroom is really, really, really big. And you have the view of the water and the backyard. This room is really, really spacious, and the shower to me is really super big. Space that you can kind of like twist around and make something really, really nice. Like, the house features 5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. So one of them was downstairs, as we saw, and the other 4 are here. 4 bedrooms on the second story with 3 full bathrooms. These 2 next bedrooms share a bathroom. Now the last bedroom is also kind of, a suite on its own, because the last bathroom is used by this room. You can easily open up a door here if you wanted to have that access from the bedroom, but it's like right next door. It's not necessary, I think, but it's pretty cool though. Full bathroom again. Upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms and we have 3 full bathrooms for this second story. And look at this space here. You can make like a nice family, I don't know, room or a game room. The house has so much space. It's incredible. And you know what? It's a canvas. You can do whatever you want, but the spaces and the light that is coming from everywhere, even in the second story, as you can see, is incredible. I really want to show you on our way out how close to the schools the community is. So as we go back on the main street of the community and leave the gate behind, we have Manatee Bay Elementary School, and if we were to make a right, we have Falcon and Cypress Bay High School. And this is in Manatee Isles Drive, and when you make a left to go back to, let's say, the highway or Weston, the next street is South Post Road. This is what I have for you today. So I just want to mention that homes like this are so particular because you can utilize this space however you want. It's so big, it has so many spaces, a room downstairs that you can utilize if you have your in-laws, if you have your guests, or if you need an office. That's perfect because it's already downstairs and then you have a bathroom right next to it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to come and visit this property with you. And again, I'll be seeing you next week. See you later.